In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel tank strap on this Toyota Tacoma. Let's install this TRQ strap. Let's support the tank. If you're on the ground, use whatever you have to support it. And if you're on the lift, use a fuel tank support attachment, which I have here. Put a little bit of pressure on it, not much, just enough to hold it. Remove this 14mm bolt that holds the strap on the outer part of the strap here on the frame. Make sure it's separated. Obviously it did. Pull it down a little bit. On the other side of the strap, you'll see this retainer that is locking it in. We have to pry up on one side. It's kind of like a hook. Push it out. There we go. And then slide the pin out. Comes out through the other side. All right, once you get that out, take it down and there it is. Remove the rubber insulation off of the old fuel tank strap. Take the new one and slide this on. Try to line it up with approximately how it was before. There we go. Let's bring the strap up, have that pin ready, and slide them all together here, just like that. Don't forget about that cotter pin that locks in the pin. There we go, get that locked in. Fold this up and around the fuel tank, and line it up with the bolt hole. On the other side, get that bolt through the strap, and into the mounting hole. Torque this to 30 foot-pounds. Now remove whatever support you are using.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.